Good morning, Orange Math folks. So today we're doing fractions on a number line. So let's start with what's a number line. Hopefully you hear the word line in there. So we can start with line. And then you should also hear number on there. So our number lines for today are going to go from 0 to 1. Okay, we can also though, let's draw a pizza in to help us out. Okay. So now we have 0 pizzas on this side and 1 pizza on this side. But we also have that word fractions in there, right? So we've got our number line. Now we need to have our fractions. So here's 0 pizzas, here's 1 pizza. Let's say that we want to cut our pizza up into 4 pieces. So then on our number line, we're going to cut it into 4 pizzas. Now, if you notice, I only drew in 3 lines. But let's count how many sections there are. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are now 4 sections or 4 pieces to this number line. Okay. So the questions that you're going to get for today are going to look like this. There'll be a little dot somewhere and maybe a letter next to it. And it will say, what is the value of point A? So I'm going to look here and I'm going to see, okay, so I start with 0. That's my whole number. And then I'm going to count how many pieces to get to A. How many jumps to get to A. So I do 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 jumps to get to A. So I'm going to put my 3 on top. And then how many jumps are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be 3 over 4. Okay. First, I counted for my numerator, my top number, how many jumps to get to my part, and then how many jumps are there to get to one whole. All right, so there's 3 to get to my part, my numerator, and 1, 2, 3, 4 to get to my whole number. So we would end up with 3/4. Okay, so let's look at a couple more. Some of them are going to be real easy. All right, well, some of them will look like this. And again, I'm looking at this bottom one here. We have 0 here and 1 at the end. And then it gives us the first one, 1/8. Well, if that's 1/8, then that has to be 2/8 and 3/8 and 4/8 and 5/8 and 6/8 and 7/8 and 8/8. Right, that one's really easy. Others of them might be a little bit trickier. Like, look at this one here. It doesn't give us any of the lines, or what any of the lines mean. So we'll have to do the same thing where we're counting. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 jumps. That means that this is cut into sixths. So that would be 1/6, and then 2/6, and so on and so on. Okay. This one you should get done with pretty quickly. So make sure that you do the textbook pages that I have attached as well. Just so you can get a little bit extra practice. Because I kind of need to make the number lines big. So I couldn't fit too many on a page. So hopefully you can get through that pretty quickly. And then, reminder that your packets, new packets come tomorrow. I'm going to try to call each of your parents or guardians today just to check in and see what's working, what's not working. And this packet that you'll get tomorrow is already made, so it'll look the same. But hopefully your parents and guardians will be able to tell me what's working for you, what's not working for you, so that I can mix up your packet a little bit and make it work better for you. Okay? But again, please make sure that you send this completed packet back with the driver, or that you have sent pictures to me, so that I can give you credit for it. All right? Thanks, everybody. Bye.